Welcome back to Home and Haven Living. If your feet are cold, achy, or need some natural TLC, this one's for you. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful oils for foot care, castor oil. What is castor oil? Castor oil is a thick, nutrient-rich oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant. It's been used for centuries in natural healing, especially in Ayurvedic and holistic traditions. Main properties: antifungal, antibacterial, deeply moisturizing, anti-inflammatory lymphatic stimulant. This simple oil packs a serious punch when it comes to healing your body. Starting at your feet. 7 benefits of using castor oil on your feet. Let's dive into the benefits. 1. Soothes cold feet. If you have chronically cold feet, castor oil can increase circulation and bring warmth and comfort. Try massaging warm castor oil into your feet before bed. 2. Fights fungal infections like athlete's foot. Castor oil contains undecylenic acid, which is a natural antifungal agent. Apply it daily to infected areas. It's gentle yet effective. 3. Deep moisturization for cracked heels. Its thick consistency penetrates deeply to soften and repair cracked, dry skin. Apply and wear socks overnight for maximum absorption. 4. Reduces foot pain and inflammation. Perfect for tired, swollen, or achy feet. Massage castor oil into sore areas, especially heels and arches. 5. Helps remove toxins, lymphatic support. Castor oil helps stimulate the lymphatic system, aiding natural detoxification. Used with compresses, it's especially powerful. 6. Supports plantar fasciitis. Relief castor oil's anti-inflammatory nature helps reduce pain and inflammation in the fascia. Massage twice daily with warm oil for best results. 7. Improves sleep and stress levels. When combined with foot reflexology, castor oil creates a grounding ritual that calms the nervous system. How to use castor oil on your feet. Let's talk about how to actually apply it depending on your needs. Nightly moisture routine. For dry skin or cracked heels, wash and dry your feet. Apply a generous amount of castor oil. Wear cotton socks overnight. Wake up with baby soft feet. Detox plus warm circulation. Boost for cold or swollen feet. Warm the oil slightly. Massage all over feet, especially the soles. Cover with a hot water bottle or heating pad. Elevate your feet and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. Foot fungal treatment. For fungus, athlete's foot. Clean feet, thoroughly apply castor oil to affected areas. Let it absorb. No need to rinse, optional. Add a drop of tea tree oil for enhanced antifungal power. Castor oil compress for feet, for deep healing or detox. You'll need flannel cloth or cotton pad, warmed castor oil, plastic wrap, or towel socks or wrap to hold in place. Steps: soak cloth in warm castor oil. Place on the bottom of your feet. Wrap in plastic or towel. Leave on for 45 to 60 minutes or overnight. Best done while relaxing or before bed. Safety tips and warnings. Always use cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil patch test if you've never used it before. Avoid open wounds or infections without doctor approval. Store in a dark, cool place to maintain potency. FAQ, your castor oil questions answered. Can I use castor oil every day? Yes, especially at night. It's safe for daily use unless irritation occurs. Can it help with toenail fungus? Yes, especially with consistent application over weeks. Does it make your feet oily? It absorbs well with massage, and overnight use with socks prevents mess. Whether you're struggling with cracked heels, cold feet, or just want to treat yourself to a soothing nighttime ritual, castor oil is a game changer. Your feet carry you through life. They deserve a little love. Like this video? Subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips. Hit the bell so you don't miss upcoming remedies.